Subscribe us for more videos.
Now I am drawing the rainbow leaves. This is the first layer. Second layer, you can draw with me. Third layer. And the last one, fourth layer. Rainbow drawing is almost done. Now I am going to color it. You can color with me. I am coloring its first layer with yellow color. Yellow, yellow sunflower, yellow sun and yellow car, yellow bird and bananas. We love the color yellow. With gray color. Gray, gray mountain, gray fish and fountain, gray stone and elephant. We love the color gray. I love to draw a rainbow. Sky blue color. Let's color second layer with sky blue color. Let's sing a song on blue color. Blue, blue, blueberry pie, blue sea and blue sky, blue eyes and dragonfly. We love the color blue. It's look like such a beautiful rainbow.
Subscribe us for more videos.
Hope you will be enjoying the color song in my voice. Pink color. This is the third layer. Pink color song. Pink, pink flamingos, pink bike and pink bows, pink shoes and pink rose. We love the color pink. You can sing a song with me. Orange, orange, oranges, orange juice and pumpkin, orange lamb and mandarins. We love the color orange. Please, kids, sing a song with me. Let's sing a song on green color. Green color. It's time to color green layer. Green, green Christmas tree, green plant and green peas, green field and broccoli. We love the color green. It's time to sing a song on a brown color. Brown, brown teddy bear, brown dog and brown chair, brown cow and brown hair. We love the color brown. Hope you like the color song. Let's sing another color. It's time to white color in cloud. Let's sing white color song. White, white mistletoe, white cloud and white snow, white doves and window. We love the color white. Purple color. Purple, purple lavender, purple oyster, purple flower, purple plums and purple house. We love the color purple. Hope you enjoy the color song. Black, black, blackberry, black cat and black seeds, black knight and black sheep. We love the color black. Hooray! Red, orange, yellow, green, black, purple, brown and pink. We love the all color. Hooray! We learned the colors name. Hope you like the color song. Rainbow drawing is almost done.
Subscribe us for more videos.